Hey everybody, so I came across some very important information and I had to make a video on it. Now this goes especially for my people who are looking to get into investing, if you're already investing, or if you've just been keeping your eyes on the market, you may know already. But what's happened is that Apple dropped some very big news at the beginning of the month. Now what they said was that they're looking to do a 4-to-1 split. A 4-to-1 split is simply saying that for every 1 share of stock you've owned, you're going to own a total of 4. So the company's going to give you 3 per share that you've owned. That's great because if you have any stocks, you have any dividends, it's going to multiply for you. And if you don't own anything, that's going to bring the stock price from 386, which is currently at right now, that's going to drop it to about $100. So the entry level fee to get into the stock is going to drop, which is going to stir up a lot of people investing into Apple. The reason why I say this is big news, because Apple did a 7-to-1 split about 6 years ago, and it doesn't happen often. It's very infrequent. So now may be the time to get in while the getting is good, to get in while that stock price is low, so that way you can start building up that portfolio. Now, companies typically do this when the investing into the company gets slow. Because that stock price was so high, a lot of people wasn't investing unless it was long term. This is going to allow a lot of people what we call retail investing, short term, 1 to 3 years, 1 to 5 years, to get into the market so that way they can start growing the portfolio, they can start growing in dividends. Whatever your strategy is, you got to stick to it. Now, in the comment section, I want you guys to let me know if Apple's been on your radar, if you're looking to invest, did you know about this? Tell me down below. And I would like to thank everybody for watching the video. I really do appreciate your support. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to click on the bell notification so that way you just know when I make a video. And thank you guys for watching the video.